Hi, good morning everyone. I'm calling is Nawe, former manager, Legit Recruitment, Mbarara branch. I'm here to extend my sincere thanking to Legit Recruitment, most especially Mr. Asha, the CEO, who helped me to come to Denmark to achieve my dreams. I call everyone, whoever wants to travel abroad, Legit is really a good company. It can help you achieve your dreams. Currently, I'm here in Denmark. Life is good because of Legit. We have interviews. We have many jobs for Legit to work abroad. Cleaners, cargo handlers, security. We have Hemaya is back on 7th November. Please come to Legit. Travel with Legit. Legit, we promise and deliver.